You have a fox, a chicken, and a sack of grain. You need to cross a river, but your boat can only carry you and one item at a time. If you leave the fox alone with the fox will eat the chicken. If you leave the chicken alone with the grain, the chicken will eat the grain. How can you transport all three items across the river without any mishaps? You have a fox, a chicken, and a sack of grain. You need to cross a river, but your boat can only carry you and one item at a time. If you leave the fox alone with the fox will eat the chicken. If you leave the chicken alone with the grain, the chicken will eat the grain. How can you transport all three items across the river without any mishaps?